Have you ever wondered if your Tesla's battery comes with a warranty? I mean, it's a pretty significant investment, right? So, let's dive into the details. Imagine driving your Tesla, enjoying the smooth ride and the futuristic tech. But then, you start noticing a drop in range, or maybe the battery's performance isn't what it used to be. What do? Well, if your Tesla's battery is still under warranty, you might be covered. But here's the thing, Tesla's warranty policies can be a bit complex. There are different types of warranties, and they cover different components of your vehicle. So, let's break it down. Basic warranty. First up, we have the basic warranty. This is the standard warranty that comes with most new cars, including Teslas. It typically covers the vehicle's components for a certain period, like 4 years or 50,000 miles. This warranty might include coverage for the battery pack, but it's important to check the specific terms and conditions. Battery warranty. Tesla also offers a separate battery warranty. This warranty specifically covers the battery pack and its components. It usually provides coverage for a longer period than the basic warranty, such as 8 years or 100,000 miles. This is because batteries are a critical component of electric vehicles, and Tesla wants to ensure that owners have peace of mind. Battery degradation. One important thing to note is that batteries naturally degrade over time. This means that their capacity and performance will decline. If your battery's performance falls below a certain threshold, Tesla might replace it under the battery warranty, even if it hasn't reached the mileage or time limit. Warranty transfer. If you're buying a used Tesla, you might be wondering if the warranty is transferable. In most cases, the basic warranty is not transferable. However, Tesla's battery warranty is often transferable, especially if the previous owner didn't use the full coverage. Warranty claims. If you think your Tesla's battery is faulty and you want to file a warranty claim, the process is usually straightforward. You can contact Tesla's customer service or schedule a service appointment at a Tesla service center. They will inspect your vehicle and determine if the battery is covered under warranty. Additional considerations. Maintenance. To ensure that your Tesla's battery is in good condition and eligible for warranty coverage, it's important to follow Tesla's recommended maintenance schedule. Third-party warranties. In addition to Tesla's warranty, you may also consider purchasing a third-party extended warranty. This can provide additional coverage beyond the original warranty period. Legal issues. If you have a dispute with Tesla regarding a warranty claim, it's important to consult with an attorney. So, does Tesla battery have warranty? The answer is yes, but it's important to understand the specific terms and conditions of the warranty. By knowing your rights and following Tesla's recommendations, you can protect your investment and enjoy a worry-free driving experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.